Welcome. If you want to check Android version of your Xiaomi Mi TV 4S, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the device preferences. Go for about and scroll to the version. Right now we got the exact model of our Android, so it's Android 9, and when you keep tapping with OK button, after a few moments you will open the Easter egg of your currently Android version. So as I said before, we are using Android 9 and it's Android Pie. And there it is. To turn it off, just click on this arrow to go back. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.